choke on.
Yeah, I mean, I do on my bike until it warms up.
Dude, where's my seat?
Bungee cord.
Duct tape, even better. Turn on some lights in here. There we go. So, the last thing that I tried on this 70cc, I thought it was the needle height. I thought maybe by adjusting the needle height that would do something. We know the carburetor is clean. We know it doesn't affect the bike as much as we thought it would if you adjust the needle height. We know that it doesn't necessarily matter if you change the carburetor to something bigger, even a brand new carburetor. So that initially, in my mind, eliminates the carburetor altogether, unless it's something jetting wise, which I can't imagine. We set the timing of this bike when my dad was here, but honestly, I wonder if we're like one tooth off as far as timing goes. It seems like when you throttle the bike, it'll go, you just have to really baby it. So I'm gonna give it a shot and try to set the timing again. Yeah. Set the timing. I'm gonna leave it open like this. I have it right here. I'm just gonna leave it off for the sake of me testing out this bike for the first time whenever I ride it, so I can look at the flywheel whenever I'm like riding the bike, and hopefully that solves our issue. So let's try it out. Woo! That thing moves. That's more fun than any bike I own. That thing's crazy. I think it's because you're so close to dying. I mean, really, there were a few times where my toes were dragging the ground because of how low the foot pegs are. Also, I didn't have the cover on, the crankcase cover, so nicked the old shin. This thing's too small for me. But it sucks because it's too big for Kai. Dude, I'm gonna have to sell it and get like a PW50 or something. Now it's time to fix it up, make it look pretty, and then sell it.